Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we will discuss an important environmental issues entirely. For that, decipher disaster.com. I'm Sarah Aprilia Nababan as your host, and I'm here with my friends Yelsi, Grace, Angel, Laura, Mikael, and Fardi. How are you guys? Thank you. First question, what is illegal or uncontrolled deforestation? Grace, can you answer first?
My opinion, illegal deforestation is the cutting down of trees without permission from the government. It usually happens in protected forest area and damages the environment.
I agree with Grace. Uncontrolled devastation also means people are continuously without repairing their disease make forest disappear over time.
Forests are very important because they absorb rainwater and provide oxygen. When forests are destroyed, nature becomes imbalanced and disaster can happen more easily.
Sometimes complaints or individual clear forests to build plantation, meadows, or lots. Many of them involve environmental rules.
Illegal logging is still wrong in some places because supervision is weak and some people only think about economic profit.
Deforestation only harms nature but also affect animals and humans. We depend on forests for rainfalls.
Thank you everyone. Now, what are the impact of deforestation versus flooding?
One major impact is landslide. Without tree roots, the soil becomes weak and can collapse during heavy rain.
Deforestation also causes loss of biodiversity. Many animals lose their habitat and some species become endangered.
Another impact is climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, so when forests disappear, global warming becomes worse.
The air can become hotter in less stress because the air values does producing oxygen.
In some areas, rivers become dirty and will dry more easily because forests no longer protect water sources.
Quality near forests can also lose the difference, especially communities that depend on forest restorations.
Can you give some real examples in Indonesia related to deforestation?
One example is forest fire in Sumatra and Kalimantan. The forest area were burned for lecturing.
Those fires cause severe air pollution and affecting many people's health, even in neighborhoods or tribes.
Another example, illegal logging in Papua and Kalimantan, where forests are cut down for mining and vegetation.
Information has achieved distribution to crops and lands in several regions of Indonesia during the rainy season.
Indonesia actually has one of the largest tropical forests in the world, so protecting them is very important for the future.
Next question, why do people still cut down forests?
Many people do it for economic reasons because wood and land can provide good money.
Some companies clear forests to make palm oil plantation or industry area.
Lack of education of environmental awareness is also a factor. Some people don't know really the long-term impact.
With law, governments can make illegal logging continue because the punishment are not strict enough.
People know also risk they need for lands, housing, and natural resources.
What can we do to help protect?
We can start by planting more trees and participating in environmental activities.
People should also reduce the product that contribute to deforestation.
laws against illegal logging.
Education is important too. School and commission should teach people about protection nature.
WECA also supports organizations that work to surface forests and wildlife.
Most importantly, everyone must understand that forests are essential for human life. Protecting forests means protecting for future.
If deforestation continues, what may happen in the future? Yelsi, what do you think?
I think the future crop become more dangerous for both humans and nature. Forests help absorb rainwater, so without them, flood and landslide might happen more often.
I agree. Another serious problem is that many animals may lose their homes. Some species could even become extinct if forests continue to disappear.
Besides that, the climate change may become worse. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, so fewer trees mean more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
People may also face problem with clear water. Forests help protect rivers and water sources. So if forests disappear, water shortage could happen.
The weather may become hot too. Areas without forest, so you have higher temperatures and pouring air quality.
If we don't act now, future generations may suffer the consequences and may never experience healthy forests again.
Forests are very important, but how actually do they help human life?
Forests provide oxygen, which is essential for humans and animals to survive. Without forests, the air quality will become worse.
Forests also help control water. They absorb rainwater and reduce the risk of floods and drought.
Many people might not realize that forests provide food and medicine too. Some plants, food, and forests are used to make medical cleaning.
Forests also help regulate climate and temperature. They make the environment cooler and more comfortable.
In addition, many local foundations depend on forests for their daily needs and jobs.
That's why forests are not only important for nature but also for human survival.
What should the government do to stop illegal deforestation?
I think the government should make stricter laws and stricter punishment for illegal logging activities.
Yes, and forest supervision must also be improved. Authorities should monitor protect area more carefully.
The government should also support appreciation program by planting more trees and giving trees.
Companies that damage forests illegally should be punished and held responsible for environmental protection.
Education campaigns are important too. The government can teach people why forests must be protected.
Cooperation between the government, local communities, and organizations is necessary to protect forests effectively.
As young people, what can we do to help protect forests?
We can start with simple action such as planting trees and joining environmental activities.
We should also reduce waste, especially paper and plastic, because too much consumption can increase environmental damage.
Young people can use social media to spread awareness about environmental problems and encourage others to cry.
Learning more about environmental issues is also important. When we understand the problems, we can help find solutions.
Supporting SGO-friendly products can also reduce activities that harm forests.
Even small actions can have a big impact if many people work together to protect nature.
Before we end this podcast, what final message would you like to share with listeners?
I want everyone to remember the forests are important for our lives so we must protect them together.
We shall stop thinking only about them and start thinking about the future of European.
Protecting forests means protecting clean air, water, animals, and human life.
We should not improve environmental problem because the effect can become more serious over time.
Everyone can help, even through small action like saving paper, planting trees, and spreading awareness.
If we work together, I believe